sell stands of impulse buy products into gift shops and tourist attractions all over the UK, and we've been going for 16 plus years now. We're using it's the DIGIMEDIA Monomeric removable gloss bubble free blockout vinyls. It's an excellent product. It's easy to use. We're using a solvent printer and the colours really pop. To make life simple, we just use one vinyl and we use that for everything. Our warehouse employees are really happy with it. They say it's easy to use, and none of them are experienced vinyl technicians, applicators, whatever you like. You know, they are lads that work in a warehouse and they apply this vinyl and they do it with no problem whatsoever. And the price is less than 50% of what we were paying for our previous material. A saving in excess of 50% is huge. We did have a suspect batch. However, Fabio, who is our rep, if you like, replaced it all for us as quickly and as friction-free as he possibly could. He's always helpful. I say to him, right, Fabio, I need another pallet, and you know, a couple of hours later, it's all done for me. It's fantastic.